Everyone, I hope you're all doing well. As promised, I'm quickly going to share with you my herbal tea recipe that I swear by. It has really served me well in the past and it has really worked with my patients as well. So I feel very comfortable sharing it with you and I really hope it serves you too. But just a quick disclaimer, I am by no means stating that take this tea and it's going to heal your acne. Whenever we speak about healing, disease or disorders, it's very multifactorial and you can't just eat one apple and expect yourself to be healthy. In the same way, you can't just eat one junk food or one wrong processed food and call yourself unhealthy or be sick or have a disease. Okay, so every time we speak about healing, you always have to know that it's very multifactorial and you have to do a lot of things, give your skin a lot of love, sunshine, great food, less toxins, less burden, less stress, lots of joy, happiness, love, and less chemicals. That's really going to help you with the skin condition or the acne that you have. Now acne can also be of different grades, it can be due to different reasons, so just see what works for you, work with your health practitioner and put it to use. But just speaking about acne, it has been proven that people who have acne will naturally have 20% lower levels of glutathione. Now glutathione is a powerful master antioxidant produced by the body, and the herb that I'm speaking about is dandelion root tea, which is a powerful antioxidant. It's not just a antioxidant, it also has diuretic properties, it will also have anti-rheumatic properties, it will be a great anti-inflammatory. So anything that's going to reduce the inflammation, anything that's going to tackle the free radicals inside the body is definitely going to give you a great skin, and I believe that is how it works. Now dandelion is very bitter in nature. Okay, now what happens when you, so we always say that your liver loves bitter food, but why does it love bitter food? I'll tell you why. So we have something known as tongue to liver feedback loop mechanism, and you don't need to know what feedback loop mechanisms are, but just to quickly tell you, what happens is every time you put something in your mouth that tastes bitter, it's actually going to stimulate your liver to release the excess bile. And just speaking about bile juice, it is going to carry the excess hormones with it, something that your body does not need, and it can be excreted out via the excretory system. Now a lot of girls are going to have acne, a lot of men too are going to have acne issues because of, you know, high levels of estrogen or high levels of testosterone, which is a very major cause when we look into PCOD cases. So this is something that's going to be really helpful for girls who have PCOD and they have acne because of their hormones. A lot of people also get acne around their menstruation, so this is also something that if it works for you could really help you. And anything that's going to stimulate the liver to release the toxins, it's just going to keep your blood clean. The dandelion is going to be very cooling on the system, it's going to be very cooling for the blood, and the lesser toxins you have, the better skin you're going to have. And just speaking about L-glutathione or just glutathione, it can be of a lot of types. Okay, it can be glutathione peroxidase, it can be glutathione S-transferase, but glutathione peroxidase is majorly the main antioxidant, and the S-transferase is going to deal with the detoxification process. Okay, but we need both, and it has been shown that people who do consume dandelion root tea can have great effects given that their gut is well, you know, your kidney is working well, and the body is actually able to get rid of the toxins. Now the brand that I really recommend for dandelion is going to be Only Leaf brand. I really love it. I have been sipping on it all morning today. So you just have to, you know, it's like a tea bag, you just put it in water, like hot water, and you can consume it all throughout the day. I would ideally suggest, you know, start with like a cup of tea and just see how your system responds. It can also give you diarrhea or constipation given on your system. It's like, it's not necessary that aisa hoga, but just in case, you know, just take it with a pinch of salt, and like don't take the tea with pinch of salt, like take it with a pinch of salt, the whole thing that I'm saying. And just having the dandelion root tea really helps. So ideally say 30 minutes post your meals, so I would ideally have it post lunch. So this is great. You can also have it before bed, but like, you know, keep a gap of like say 30 or 60 minutes, and I think it really works well if it suits you.